Goa miles. Okay. Now Goa miles, they are saying scrap kara, but I mean already department has given much earlier the license for Goa miles, आणि some conflict is happening at airport. ते त्याच्यावरही आमचे meetings झाले आणि some already partially problem थोडा solve झाला in terms of those counters and all, and ते problem जाताले ते. Okay. Secondly, it is a policy issue and it is a legal issue, so I will not be commenting on this. Okay, so for this Goa miles, the reply only Honorable Minister, Honorable CM will give. Okay, but already some work is being done on that. Okay, so definitely Goan taxi people, Goikar Asate, those who are local here, they should get up a preference and they should be in the business. Okay, currently they are here, like for migrants it's very easy to come in and enter the business, so but it should not disrupt our local here. So tatun badge is playing a very important role, कारण badge to have a badge you should know your Konkani language is you should know Konkani well, you should know local geography. So a test department conducts and त्यानंतरच badge issue केला जाता. So तातून it takes good care of local Goans. Goa miles issue, definitely it's a policy decision, and lot of technology is coming in public transportation system. It is good for the public, it is good for the tourism. Okay, at the same time that balance of protecting local Goan taximen has to be taken. Okay, so I am not commenting on that, but definitely government is very serious on this matter to protect the interest of local Goan, and solution will come. Solution will definitely come for this.
मेन इशू आहे तो टॅक्सीकारांचो कितें असो आशिल्लो सारको मेन इशू म्हणजे
Goa miles scrap. This is the main issue. Okay, world is moving forward. Okay, I mean aggregator app is there in every country. You go to other metros and see. Okay, it is such a big convenient. Okay, the basic cost कमी जाता. Okay, because कारण त्याका continuous भाडे मेळटा, so you can afford to pass on. The cost comes down drastically down. So it is cheaper. So people can. So people, in the long run, like people will give up. I am not promoting this. I am very clear. I am not promoting. But सांगता तुका, this is the issue. But it's. I mean, government. I mean, it is all citizens has to. It has to be citizen-centric decision. Okay? And taxi is a very important component because they are the brand ambassadors. When a tourist enters Goa from the airport, for first interaction. जातात ते टॅक्सीकारांकडे कळलं तुका. So they should be happy. Okay, so they are happy that positive vibe will go in the tourism industry, and tourists will feel happy to come to Goa, and their interest is important. But at the same time, there has to be a good. We have to ensure that there is a good public transport system in Goa for everybody, tourists and even for locals for that matter. Okay.
सर गोवा बिंग स्मॉल एव्हरी रेल्वे स्टेशन एअरपोर्ट बस स्टँड सगळ्याकडे टॅक्सी लावून आपल्या रावल्ले असता. सो इज इट मॅन्डेटरी गरज आसा गोंयांक कॅब एग्रिगेटराची?
I don't know. It requires a study basically. I mean, there can be a good systems. You need good systems. There can be more ways of having a good system. Cab aggregator is one of the thing. Okay.
But
now I am too small to make a comment on this whether this is required or not. But definitely I am for all these local taxi men. Definitely त्यांचं interest protect जावपाक जाय. Okay. And we are working for it. We have been continuously working. खूप फावटी मेळटा आमी हांगासर. Okay. So every time we address some whatever issues which is आमच्या हातान आसता ते. थोड्या हातान आसना. Some requires amendment. This motor vehicle is a central law. Understand that? Okay. So we have to aggregated definition is come in Motor Vehicle Act also. It is a central law. It is a Government of India law. We have to implement it. We cannot deviate from that. So we have limitations in that matter. Okay. So ultimately it's a government call.
तुमच्या कडल्यान कितें रिलीफ आसतलो टॅक्सी ओनर्सांक
वॉट इज दॅट?
तुमच्या सायडींतल्यान कितें रिलीफ बीन टॅक्सी ओनर्सांक
या वॉट एवर ते सांगता न्ही, वॉट एवर आमी कितें करपाक शकताले तें केलें आमी. तांकां टॅक्स वेवर दिला, तांकां पेनल्टी वेव केल्या, तांकां बॅजीस इंट्रोड्यूस केल्या. ह्यो गोश्टी म्हज्या हातान आसा. तूं हे स्क्रॅप कर म्हणून ते म्हज्या हातान ना न्हू. आय एम नो बडी. आय मीन इट इज रॉंग फॉर दे कमिंग अँड कॉर्नरिंग ऑफिसर लायक दीस. इट इज व्हेरी शेमफूल. Understood. So they should, yeah. So you report what you feel in the interest of Goa. Okay. Thank you.
टॅक्स कितल्या म्हयन्यांचो वेव ऑफ केला तांकां?
50% of the tax.
कितल्या म्हयने वेव ऑफ केला?
Tax कितना देते? 6 months. It is not 50%. It is 6 months. So it comes to 50% of annual tax. So many. April to September, which is a big. It costed us 20 crores. Tax waiver 20 कोटी government implication आएगा. It's not. Nobody is talking about it. But 20 crores is something. Understood? एक बिल्डिंग उभी जाता 20 crores. Okay.
थँक्यू.
ट्रान्सपोर्ट
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आतां बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजींतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारांत तुमकां दर्जेदार प्रकारच्यो साडयो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 रोड, पणजी.